In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete apps here on a MacBook Air M4. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your Finder. Now, you can also go to apps. I personally prefer Finder since everything is more organized. Essentially, just go ahead and open up your Finder on the dock. And once you are on your Finder, go ahead and hit Applications on the left-hand sidebar. I'll go in full screen real quick so you can see everything a little bit easier. But once you are in Finder right here, you're going to see every single app that you have installed on your Mac. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and delete something like Roblox on here, right? Essentially, you'd go ahead and select that. And then once you're on here, you just hold down Command and then hit Delete or Backspace on your keyboard, and it'll immediately go ahead and remove it. It may pop up with the confirmation and then ask you to confirm. After you confirm, it'll delete it. Let me go ahead and undo this real quick. But once that app is deleted, you can go ahead and exit out of your Finder, go down to your little trash bin down here and just right click on it or double click on it, hit empty trash, and you'll be good to go. That is how you delete apps here on a MacBook Air M4. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. If any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.